So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find condos for rent here on apartments.com. So once apartments.com is opened up, what I want you to do is to type in a location. So for this demonstration, I will select Toronto, Ontario. Now once you're here, you have your area selected. If you want to refine your search that it's only showing condos, just go to the top right to where it says all filters, then just scroll down to where it says condos right here under home type. Press on that, then press on search. Now once you're here, all your stuff will be refined to condos that are for sale. So you can kind of check your area right here. You can check the listings to your right, and you can basically just go through the process this way in regards to finding a condo for rent. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to find condos for rent here on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.